Speed up your ear-piercing healing process.
Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to speed up the healing process of an ear piercing. Having a new ear piercing is exciting, but it's also a commitment to ensure the wound heals properly. Let's explore some effective ways to promote quicker healing and prevent any potential complications. Remember, everyone's healing process can vary, and it's always important to consult with a professional piercer or healthcare provider if you have concerns.
What's the normal healing time?
First, it's crucial to understand that the healing time for an ear piercing can vary depending on the exact location of the piercing. A lobe piercing might take 6 to 8 weeks to heal, while a cartilage piercing can take anywhere from 4 months to 1 year. However, there are some ways you can help speed up this process.
How do I clean my ear piercing?
Maintaining a proper cleaning routine is a significant factor in speeding up the healing process. You can clean your piercing twice a day using a saline solution, which can be easily prepared at home by mixing 1/4 teaspoon of non-iodized sea salt in 1 cup of warm distilled or bottled water. Avoid using alcohol or hydrogen peroxide, as these can dry out and irritate the piercing. When cleaning, never twist or rotate the jewelry. This can cause damage and prolong the healing process.
What lifestyle changes can help?
Making small lifestyle adjustments can help speed up healing. Try to sleep on the side that doesn't have the piercing to avoid pressure and irritation. Also, consider your diet. Eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins A and C can promote wound healing. Additionally, keep yourself well hydrated and try to avoid smoking and excessive alcohol, which can delay the healing process.
When should I consult a healthcare professional?
You should immediately contact a healthcare professional if you notice signs of infection like excessive redness, persistent pain, or discharge from the piercing site. It's always better to seek professional help earlier rather than later to prevent complications. That's it for our guide on how to speed up your ear piercing healing process. We hope these tips help you enjoy your new piercing safely and with minimal discomfort. Remember, patience and proper care are the keys to a successful ear piercing healing process. Stay safe and happy healing!